Hi YouTube. So I wanted to show you guys something that I picked up and what I'm doing with it. It is a 1930s Ritter x-ray machine. I got it out of a dental practice that was from a guy who practiced for 40 something years. He's been dead a while and they were just clearing out the building. So I got it for free. That somebody was about to give it away for scrap, and luckily, right place at the right time, I was able to save it. It's pretty cool. I've seen some online of this. This is the B model. The A model was the wood one. I saw one that was a kind of a cool green, but this is a tan. Anyway, tell you what I know about it. I haven't done a lot with it yet. Here's a schematic in case anybody needs that. This dial right here, so it looks like it's going up to 70 kilovolts. This dial right here, decrease voltage, increase voltage. It goes down to these contacts as you move the dial. And these contacts go to a transformer that's got a lot of windings in it. So kind of like an inductive ballast type deal to decrease and increase the voltage. So it's 110 in, and then I'm guessing it's giving you different voltages out of here. But it's a really simple machine, guys. I mean, there's a couple big resistors right there, the switch, the transformer, another switch on off, and then you've got, in series, you've got a little timer. See if I can make that do anything. Yeah, so that works. That's cool. And then it's got a chart for different teeth or whatever. That's really neat. And this is the head. So I took the head off. Of course, this is where the transformer is. The transformer and the x-ray tube. The x-ray tube was broken. It may have been me on moving it. I did my best to be careful. I'm kind of heartbroken about it. But yeah, it broke somehow. I don't know if it was me or somebody else, but this is the head. This is where the x-ray tube was. There's the top. Had 1,000,000 bolts in it. But I was not able to figure out a way that I was able to pull this stuff off without, so that the x-ray tube sat here. And then these are your two secondaries coming out of the transformer. I wasn't able to figure out how to remove all of this without just cutting these. I didn't know. So yeah, anyway, transformer sat in here. One of these wires, this green wire here, is unused. It goes to just nothing on the backside. And then these three wires go to the unit from the end there. Obviously come down in there. And this is the stuff that I removed. Being from the 30s, I would say it's probably got PCBs in it, so got to dispose of that. I got some mineral oil. We're going to do some transformer stuff I'm going to show you, but yeah, that's it, guys. Now let me show you what I'm doing with the transformer. And here's the transformer. Here's the secondary here and here, and then there's the primaries. One of those is body ground, but yeah, it's pretty heavy, just for reference. Pretty big. This was the x-ray tube. It was in a bunch of pieces, but with some glass glue, I got it mostly back together. And I mean, it's really cool. I was just devastated when I saw that it was broken. But yeah, something like that. But I'm gonna start working on this transformer. I'll upload a second part of the video, or just stick it at this, the end of this one. And we're gonna do some high voltage stuff. There's our X-ray transformer submerged. I haven't even vacuumed it out yet, but we're looking pretty good. And there's the unit. All right, folks, so here's the finished product. I've got it kind of secured to a post in my shop. And got the light going again. Pretty cool. I have this hooked up, so when I want, I can use it. Fire it up real quick. But I've also bypassed that, and I've got a switch. So I can just leave this switch on. And I've got a little Jacob's ladder hooked up. Now, in series with the primary, can't remember if I showed in my last video, I have a very old choke. We call it in the neon business, we call it a choke, but it's really a, I guess, a variable resistor of sorts from, I think, the 30s or maybe the 40s. So this is my resistance. And then, of course, without that, you know, you've got to have some resistance on this circuit, otherwise it'll pop. At least 20 amp circuit. But it's making some pretty gnarly arcs. All right, I guess I ran it too long. It decided to throw its little breaker, which is right there. But anyway, so yeah, guys, this is it. It's a cool little piece. I'll be able to show people when they come to the house, and yeah. Have any questions? Let me know.